there we go. Crazy hair Saturday. I have not done my hair curly in so long, and I came downstairs today, and I don't think Peyton's ever seen my hair curly, and he goes, "What's with your hair?" He's like, "It looks kind of weird." So, it's kind of au naturel right now. Okay, so I am wearing the Francesca joggers. So what I did was I actually just threw it on with the Social Distancing Club tee. Here's the back of it, which we just got in black. So I'll show you that also. But I wanted to show you just a couple different ways that you can wear these joggers. A t-shirt tied is definitely one of the ways. I also have a matching top. I have a matching hoodie to go with them. So I also grabbed this jean jacket. This is the Jolie jean jacket. The bottoms of are the Francesca. So in case you're going on the website and looking, that's what they're called. So I just grabbed the Jolie jean jacket just to show you guys that you can wear joggers so many different ways, and this is just one of the ways. So throw it on with a cute t-shirt. Check out the back of that jean jacket too. How cool is that? I love that detail, that like kind of gathered detail, so cute. I personally always end up rolling up my sleeves. It's just one thing that I do with every single jean jacket that I own. But this is just one way. You can also wear it with the matching hoodie, which I'll show you next. But how cute is this look? I absolutely love it. So these tees have been so popular, so we're gonna be reordering more. I know we're pretty low on sizes right now, but we will definitely order more. And then we'll have those, when we do reorder them too, we will have them on the pre-order section. So the whole deal with the pre-order section is, let me see if I can make this brighter, I don't think so. The whole deal with the pre-order section is we list items as we order them. So we give you a roundabout date, either like end of April, beginning of May, end of May, when it's gonna be coming. And the best part is you guys get your hands on these items before anybody else. A lot of times they'll sell out on pre-order, so we won't even get them into the store. So if you didn't order them pre-order, then chances are you might not be getting them. So that's the whole thing with the pre-order. We wanna give you guys the opportunity to get your hands on them before anybody else. So this is the Francesca hoodie, which is so cozy. Just throw it over with the Francesca bottoms. The bottoms have great pockets, and they are a jogger style. Really cute, great waistband. There's no ties or anything. So the nice part is if you do want to wear something over the joggers, you're not gonna get like that weird little tie bulge, which is never fun. And then this is the hoodie, has cute little kangaroo pocket. I love the hood, and this color really just makes me so happy. I don't know what it is. All these colors are so fun. So this one just arrived. We just updated it on the website too, that it is here. And if we are out of your size, we have more coming. So don't worry, you can go ahead and pre-order those. We have more coming of this. Loving all the pink too. This is so fun. So right now you have two different ways to wear it, right? Another way to wear it too, which I actually did not grab, just a long sleeve black t-shirt, short sleeve black tee. You can throw on a cute bodysuit with it. I mean, these joggers are just so super versatile. I definitely think you'll get a ton of wear out of them. Let's see. And then the social distancing club tee also comes in black. So this is brand new, just got it. I love the pink writing on it, the pink and white, it's so fun. So that is the tee. We have more coming. I believe we are sold out in small, in the black, but we do have more coming though. So we'll just go ahead and update the website too. And if you want the recipe too for the drink, we have a whole blog that we've been working on. So we've been updating it with all the recipes that we've been doing every week, because we want you to be able to make it too if you want to. So this is the Veni Vidi Vici. This means I came, I saw, I conquered. So this is an oversized sweatshirt. It's an oversized pullover. So I want to show you guys because I'm typically an extra small or small. So this way you can kind of gauge what size you would be. This is a small and it really truly is oversized. Looks super cute with leggings, super cute with a jean. So fun. And it's just easy a lot of times too. And I am guilty of doing this with so many of my pullovers. I cut it. I don't know about you. It's all personal preference, but that is the fun thing about it, is that you can totally DIY it and cut it. How much are the t-shirts? Cheryl wants to know. Let's see. The t-shirts are, I want to say 36. Let me see. All the items too are on the website. Let's see. All the items are on the website. I want to say 36. I'm almost positive it is. No, I keep pulling out the tag for the sweatshirt. But they are all on the website. You can go and check them out. See what they look like on too. The black we don't have on somebody, but we do have it listed under the white t-shirt. So that is the Veni Vidi Vici sweatshirt. We also have Ciao Bella. We still have a few left. And then Do Not Disturb. And we also have Low Key Bougie. So we just restocked the Low Key Bougie. This one, it was a huge hit. So we made sure to restock this for you guys. And then I also have new Ellie Vail jewelry, which I am so excited about. You can see all the Ellie Vail jewelry too on the website under the category Ellie Vail. We made it super easy for you. We've been trying really hard to organize the website in a way that it is really easy for you guys to kind of navigate it. Mother's Day is coming up. We did a whole Mother's Day section. We put together a bunch of great items for Mother's Day because moms truly deserve the world. Is that not true? And we are more than happy to put together gifts for you. So if you're looking for a birthday gift, if you're looking for just a friendship gift, any sort of gift, we're more than happy to put them together for you because we have so many great items that I know it's kind of hard to navigate the website and see it all. So what we can do is just put it all together for you. We are offering free local delivery within a certain mile range and free shipping over $25. So we have some great items for you guys. And then this is the Ellie Vail jewelry that I'll show you. So what we just got in, which I'm really excited about, this is the first time they've ever done this, is they are doing build your own charm necklaces. So you can take any Ellie Vail chain, you can take a chain that you own, and you can make your own charm necklace. So this is the Vince snake chain. And then we have 4 different charms. So we have the charm that says honey. These are really versatile too because you can actually use these as a keychain also. So this is really fun. So this one says honey. We have a little angel wing. We have karma. I love the karma, right? And then we also have love. So these are really fun. You can personalize them. They're a great price point too. Each charm is $29. And all you do really is just, you take any chain and you just take the charm and put it right through. And it looks so cute on. So that is the Ellie Vail Build Your Own Charm Necklace. And then we did get another new necklace, which I'm really excited about. It's the 3-chain star charm necklace. How cute is that? It's really dainty, really pretty, and Ellie Vail's signature is this little arrow. It's for always moving forward, which I absolutely love. I think that is just so cool. And that's how the that's how that necklace looks on. So pretty, right? So all of these you can find under the Ellie Vail category on the website. If you guys have any questions too, please feel free to reach out. Either call, email, however you want to get a hold of us. I did list a phone number too where you can text me. I know a lot of times it's just easier to text somebody instead of emailing and waiting for an answer. And I am always on my phone. So you will most likely get a response pretty quickly. So I am always here for you guys. If you have any questions at all, let me know. And we have a lot of fun stuff coming. So if you're on the website and you're checking out some of those leopard joggers, hint, hint, those are coming next week, which is really exciting. The Whitney top by 650 is here. It just arrived. So if you have any pre-orders, they will be shipping out on Monday. And last I checked, we still had, I believe, all the sizes left. We have a couple of each size left for the Whitney top. And if you don't know what the Whitney top is, go and check it out on the website because it is pretty awesome. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Have a wonderful weekend. The weather here looks pretty nice, so hopefully you get to get out, go for a little walk, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great night. Mwah. Bye.